Hey, my way go Harvard. He go 100 level for Harvard. He can't go Unizik for 200 level. 300 level, he can't go University of Lagos. 400 level, he can't go University of Ibadan. 500 level, he get 500 level. He no get 500 level. He can't come out for University of Ibadan, can't go do masters for University of Yo. After he come for University of, he can't go collect PhD for University of Imo State, IMSU. Hey, like when the my de Teresa, Chineke na-ekwe n'ihe ọjọọ. See moi we get swag. Moi where they take collect woto. My way no get break. Hey! Oya come. On today's episode of what I gave to my husband. Guys, today my husband will eat moi. Just look at this moi. It just be like cake. Just divide and like this. Ew! Ew! Jesus! See, if you are from Enugu State, hey, you have to pay 2 bright price. Okay, guys, these are the things I'm going to be using. Egg, onions. This is my beans. Okay, washed, clean, white beans. Okay, so guys, the next thing I have here is the second thing I have here. This is what you're looking at is water from the fish, which is called fish stock. And I have some eggs, hard-boiled eggs, soon cleaned. I have some Maggi cubes, and I have some salt. I have some mixed spices, which contains black pepper, onions, but dry. Then I have paprika here, which is also known as bell pepper. I don't have the fresh one, so I ended up using the dry one. It is the same thing, dry and fresh. What is the difference? My sister, the same thing, I beg you. Yes, so to give it that color, because I'm not using any palm oil. So another thing that I have here is some red onion. I have some ginger, and then I have some habanero pepper, those strong hot pepper. And then I have some two pieces of tomato. Then I have this sliced onion, which I'm going to be using later. I have, of course, crayfish. How will you cook mama without crayfish? Why will you cook mama without crayfish? Then I have some vegetable oil here. Yeah, that is vegetable oil, which is known. In Nigeria, every vegetable oil is known as groundnut oil. Okay, it's groundnut oil. So, guys, that is all that you're going to be needing. You see this blender? Guys, if you don't have blender, go to where they used to grind pepper and grind it. So the first thing that I want to do is to grind the pepper, the onions, the ginger. So grind it into paste. Please don't chop it. Grind it very well so that it will give you this moi a very good color. And after you blended it, go ahead and cook it for some time. So just put it inside the pot, drop in the pot. I put some salt and I put some mixed spices. So as that is boiling, I covered it just for me to get that sour taste of all those things out. So I added my beans in the same blender. I did not wash it. I just added my beans and my crayfish inside the blender. Guys, if you don't have strong blender, don't try it. See, it's because we are in abroad though. That is the reason why we are using 300 euro, 400 euros to go and buy blender so that we are able to blend beans. If not, if I was in Lagos or in Nigeria, for me, I will go to all those people that used to blend things, pepper inside the market. But when I'm going, I will carry enough water so that they will use it to wash their engine. But this one they are doing us here. How can you use the one that you are going to use buy cement for house and use to buy blender? Anyways, I blended it. So this is my beans. So I added my boiled pepper, my boiled onions, all that mixture that you saw me blended. I added it inside, and then I begin to turn. I turn. Then I added my mixed spices also. And the reason why this is red, don't forget, it is the dry paprika. Then I added my fish stock. And this is the only water I am going to be using because I used a little water to blend. Guys, you see this Maggi? It's only God that will forgive the people that are producing this Maggi in Nigeria. This Maggi is stronger than cement. Stone, this Maggi. You see this Maggi? You can break it for, like, I don't know, even if you soak it inside water, it will not break. I used my hand to crush it. See, I'm still At the end, I removed the thing. I removed the Maggi. There is no need. It's only God that will forgive the people that are producing this Maggi in Nigeria. How can you buy Maggi? What are they putting inside this Maggi that will not give us peace of mind? Look at the way I am pounding Maggi. In Nigeria, we used to pound crayfish, onions, pepper. Have you ever seen somebody pounding Maggi before? This is what this Maggi has done. This Maggi cube, whoever that is producing Maggi cube, you people should fear God. Fear God. So guys, I added salt and then I turn your mixture. And please make sure that the last thing you add into the mixture is some vegetable oil, or the palm oil will come the last thing that you're going to add. Okay, so guys, because we are going to be baking this moi moi, so this is my tray, this is my bake tray, and I added some water. And then this is the pot, this is my oven plate that I'm going to be using to bake the moi moi. Make sure you put a lot of oil. You don't want it to burn, and you don't want it to stick so much that you're not able to scrub. And you get the oil covered, you get the plate covered with oil, then you add your moi moi, your mixture. And then you add any protein of your choice. If you like eat meat, add meat. If you like, add crocodile meat. If you like, add chicken. Anything you like, add. And if you don't have money to buy anything, my sister and my brothers, eat your moi moi like that. Eat it. I know that things, austerity is happening in Nigeria. In fact, it's happening in the whole world. And you see that onion that I was telling you, this was what I planned using it for. Don't go and jump what you cannot, you will not be able to jump over. Do the one that your power can reach. You see this one that I'm doing now, this one now is mixed vegetables. You know, this is Kreuter, herbs. So I just put it on top of to decorate it. Okay, it's not only to decorate, you know, to have that aroma. So the next thing is to put it inside your oven. The oven here, depending on what your oven looks like, I put 200 degree, and I'm going to cook this moi moi for 1 hour because this plate is deep. Moi moi done. They're telling them I have inherited something from you. This is the inheritance that I inherited for them. If you know me, if you know where I come from, you will know that Teresa, moi moi de Teresa. I have made moi moi de Teresa upgraded version. Moi moi Imo State. Moi moi Imo State. Jemba. Lego do moi moi. This is internationally made moi moi. This is, oh, look at moi moi. We go Harvard. We go university, international university and local university. You can't end them up in IMSU. Now IMSU now you can collect PhD of this moi moi. Oh, go and make something for your husband. So guys, this is what my husband had for dinner, and he enjoyed it. And of course, I made him some smoothie. Do you want to see the smoothie? Wait, I will show you. I made him some milkshake, and he enjoyed it with this. So after I served him the moi moi, he finished eating. I said, baby, I have something for you. So I made this milkshake for him to cool down because the weather is hot. See, if you're not married from Imo State, you are missing. You are missing my brothers and my sisters. And at this junction, I cannot help you. If you have already made the mistake of not marrying from Imo State, sorry. And if you are still looking for a wife, go and marry from Imo State. Don't fear the bride price. Now we day here. Thank you. Bye.